Okay, so next one is the risk per trade in money. So this one allows you to set the risk in money, for example, to risk $500 per trade. Well, if it's dollars or euros or pounds, it depends on the account currency, like deposit currency of your account. So in this example, we use just United States dollars. Yeah. So in this mode, client EA ignores differences in account sizes and also ignores all the differences in leverages. So MMV, you use that for setting the desired risk in money. I see it's a typo, says in percentage, but it's desired risk in money. So in this case, you would enter 500. Yeah. And the client EA will use the size of the client account and the stop loss of each trade to calculate a proper lot size, so that if the trade hits the stop loss, it will lose no more than $500. Depends on the deposit currency, of course. In this mode, the client EA ignores differences in account sizes or leverage differences as well. Well, I think I mentioned that already, yeah. So if you set MMV to 500, it means the client EA will always calculate the lot size accordingly, so that if the trade hits the stop loss, it will lose no more than $500. Well, roughly, yeah, we have slippages and spreads and stuff, yeah, so it's roughly $500. Client EA will use client account size and the stop loss to calculate proper lot size for that. And it's important to mention as well, as with the risk percentage per risk per trade in percentage, so the same with risk per trade in money, it will copy trades from the master account only when they have a stop loss set. If there is no stop loss set on the trade on the master account, then the client EA will delay such trades until they get a stop loss set. So in this operational mode, if the master trade never get a stop loss set and then get closed, they never make it to the client account. So it's the same with like risk percentage, yeah. So it's the same with risk per money as well. We need a stop loss in order to do the right calculations, what kind of lot size the client EA has to use, yeah. And some more things for the risk per trade money management mode. So if master trade gets a stop loss set, for example, after 20 seconds, when it got open, then the client EA will copy this trade only after detects the stop loss on that trade, which means there will be a delay of at least 20 seconds. So after the trade is copied and the stop loss is removed from the master trade, the client EA will remove the stop loss too, but the trade will remain open until it remains open on the master account. But keep in mind again that if the trade is no longer has a stop loss, then it means it's no longer risking the same amount in money that you choose with the MMV parameter, because it has no longer stop loss, yeah? So the same would be true if the stop loss gets set to a higher or smaller value on the master account. Client EA would copy those stop loss changes accordingly, and the risk in monetary value would change, of course.